I'll show you how easy it is to add this viral waitlist to your Notion page in a matter of minutes using Zootools and directly Notion totally for free. Let me get started. And by the way, I'm Jorge, founder at Zootools, and I'm here to help you out. Let's start. Okay, so I'm just going to show you first the mechanism here. So this is a waitlist. I can actually sign up and select what is my favorite food. You can collect and we can collect any questions that we want. Oh, I'm already signed up, so let me use a different email. And once the user is in, we have all of these gamification system where basically the user can get rewards by inviting their friends. So now I'm on position 3. I have 30 points because I've just signed up the waitlist, and I have 0 referrals. So I have not invited any friends yet. But actually, if I copy this link, and I'm just going to sign up as Paco in a different window. I'm joining the waitlist. Wait a second. Don't. And now, if I go back, you will see that this is automatically updated. So now I have 40 points because I have invited one more person and I have one referral. So let's get started. So the first thing is we're going to go to Zootools. You can sign up totally for free. So Zootools is our project, which is good. So if you have any questions, just let us know. So I'm just going to create a new campaign after you sign up. It's very fast and straightforward. I'm just going to create a Notion waitlist campaign. And the goal, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to select get more users for my product. All right. So here is where we are going to see all the people that sign up for the waitlist. And now we're just going to go to the viral waitlist section. This is a new sidebar of something that is coming up next for you. You have to only go to Form tab. Okay, once I'm here, let's set it up so we can actually customize this with any brand and any color that we want. So in my case, I'm going to change the header. I could remove it if I don't want the header, but in my case, I'm gonna choose a beautiful header. So I can choose Unsplash, or I can actually upload a header of my preference. So that's what I'm gonna do. You see this section that says download this template. If you have any questions on what's the recommended size or what is the design, just click over there. We have prepared our template for you. And the safe area basically will work on desktop and mobile. So it will be visible. The other part is just like, like unsafe area where uh, it's not going to be shown in certain devices, basically. So anyway, we just uploaded that, and now we can actually choose any color that we want. So for example, we can do the black, which I think looks really cool, or I'm just going to use a trick. This is actually for developers, so please bear with me. I'm just going to inspect and pick it up this hex color. So normally you don't have to do this. This is just a trick that I'm using. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Normally, you don't have to do this, right? So you ask your designer, what is the hex color of your brand, or probably in Photoshop, you will actually have it. I'm just gonna move it, slide it a little bit so we see the text white. I think it looks better. And here we can actually ask any questions that we want. So for now, we are only asking the email, but I can actually ask the first name and rearrange. So move it up and down. And I can ask any questions. So for example, in the previous video in the Squarespace, we asked what's your favorite food. Here we are gonna ask what is your favorite city in the world. So we can say New York City. New York City, baby. Let me know in the comments where you're from, by the way. I'm super curious. Madrid, which is where I'm from. I was born in Madrid, España. Madrid, Paris, Rome, whatever. So we can keep it as it is right now, or we can actually customize it and make it a little bit more like a drop down. So drop down is really cool if you actually have a lot of different options. In my case, let's just put it up as like as a single select. And here you have like the option to add multiple options at the same time. So I just click here, and for example, if you want to say Reykjavik, I'm sorry, I don't know how to type Reykjavik. Lima, Peru. Mexico, Ciudad de Mexico. You can actually add all the options all together, and they are going to be added that way. And in this case, we can actually mark this as required or not. You see that there is an uppercase there. So that's what's going to happen. All right. So once we are done with that, let's publish changes. And the only thing that we are going to have to do is just get this link here. So you know this, share the link. You can actually open it up in a new window. So we copy this link. We go back to Notion page. And here it's where the magic is going to happen. I'm just going to paste the link and I'm going to create an embed. So Notion will actually embed this beautiful form directly into the Notion page. So the only thing that we have to do left is actually slide it down so we make it bigger and then resize a little bit. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. And that's it. And now we have a beautiful form. This is actually a total new form. So we can actually go ahead, sign up again. New York City, baby. Actually, Madrid and New York, probably. Those are my two favorite cities. And now you will see that the position, number one, points and referral. And again, we have the functionality here to copy the text or actually tweet it out. Oh, I think Twitter is blocked. So actually, let me see. I'm blocking Twitter. Oh, is it because like they're using X.com? Oh wow. Maybe I'm just blocking Twitter, actually. Anyway, let me actually choose maybe LinkedIn. All right. Cool. So anyway, so this is it. And the really cool thing is that obviously you can actually leverage all the stuff that Notion can offer us, right? So we can add bullet lists, we can add images, we can actually move these up, move it to the left, move it to the right. So we can do anything that we want. And it's super flexible, as you can tell, it's super fast. And the last thing that I'm going to show you is that if we actually decide to change certain designs, so for example, instead of having this list, we want to show a dropdown and we publish the changes, it will be automatically updated in Notion. So if we just refresh the page and scroll all the way down, well, I'm just going to log out. You will see that now this is like a different thing. So the form is self-hosted on ZooTools and it's automatically updated in real time, which is very nice and very magical. And even sometimes if you don't want to make these look so big and stuff, you could always go to the design, delete this part, change maybe titles to be like join the waitlist, or even not having any title, right? So you can actually do that and just make this look more like a form embedded directly into Notion, right? So it's a little bit smaller, a little bit shorter, and you can actually do this and that. So yeah, hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, there is so many straightforward ways to actually reach out to us. So you can go to zootools.co and under company, you can click on get support and you can either send us an email, send us a message, or actually book a growth call. And the last part that I want to share with you is that on ZooTools, right after the users sign up, all the responses will be collected for you. So if I go to the main view, you will see that now we have Jorge, and you can actually click and be like, oh, Jorge signed up for the US, Boulder Creek, signed up 3 minutes ago. And there is many more features on ZooTools that I recommend you to check it out. So one of those features is actually marketing emails. So anytime that somebody signs up to your list, we can send them marketing emails, so far and so on. So hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. We're here to help. I'm Jorge, founder at ZooTools. Super excited and see you in the next video. Bye.